Hello, today we're going to talk about lowering your infrastructure costs utilizing Parallel IO with DataCourse and Symphony. So this is a use case where we had a customer that needed to do a storage refresh. Their requirement was to have about 150 terabytes of usable space. So initially the customer went ahead and looked at this from a traditional storage perspective, and they've got a quote from a traditional storage vendor. And this vendor created a configuration that consisted of 2 full racks of equipment, disk drives, and controllers, which yielded them about 140 terabytes of usable space. This also included about 18 terabytes of SSD and 256 gigs of cache or RAM. What we ended up doing was we looked at that whole solution, and we came in with a solution that was based on 4 servers that took up about a quarter of a rack. And in this solution, we included about 168 terabytes of usable disk, fully mirrored by the way. We included about 25 terabytes of PCIe flash. We included about 3,000 gigabytes of RAM that we used for disk cache. Now the whole thing about this solution was, as you can see, it was actually 20% more capacity. Turned out to be 5 times faster than the traditional storage, and it utilized less than a quarter of the space, or less than an eighth of the space of the traditional solution. And we haven't even talked about power and cooling. Now here's the most interesting piece. This solution cost the customer, or the price of the customer after heavy discount, was $500K. The solution based on DataCore came out to $300K. A $200,000 savings for the customer.